Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Angisha here with a new tutorial. So today I am going to work on this reactive foils from Dress My Craft. Dress My Craft has recently launched this reactive foils with beautiful colors. So the big one comes in the size of 12 by 18 inches and it has 4 foil sheets in it. I really love the packaging. It's very cool. So you can see how beautiful colors these people have. So 5 of the colors come with the size of 12 by 18 inches with 4 sheets, whereas these 3 beautiful colors, that is gold, silver and metallic pink, comes with the size of 6 by 18 inches, again with 4 foils in it. So if you want to buy any of this, you can check the description box. Links are been provided for you to shop. So let's start with the tutorial and let me explain to you about their usage and the quality the Dress My Craft provides. So for the first technique, I am going to use some red tacky tape from Crafters Corner. The links have been mentioned in the description box. I have removed the seal of the tacky tape and now I'm going to apply some foil sheets to it and just rub it a little and remove the foil. You can see the amazing result. I have created this beautiful card using the same foil and with same technique. For my second technique, I have used some texture paste and stencils. So I randomly applied texture paste and once it was dried, I used some gliding glue with a sponge and I applied it randomly. Once gliding glue was dried, I used some foil and removed it, and you can see the uneven shine on the same, and this is the card I created using the same technique. For my third technique, I wrote down some initials using the gliding glue and a paintbrush. So this is the very cool technique to add some sentiments to your work. So after my glue was dried, I applied foiling and this is how the result will come out. So this is really cool and amazing way to add some shimmer to your sentiments. For my next technique to add some shimmer on any of the product, I used some gliding glue on my chipboards and as it was dried, I applied my foiling paper and I rubbed it a little and you can see the result. How amazing it looks. My chipboard got so beautiful goldenish effect. I also tried the same on some sentiments and this is it's actually a perfect foiling. The quality is super amazing. I really loved working with these foils. You can also use the foil randomly on your projects. So this is how I have created this project using the golden foil from Dress My Craft. So this foiling are really amazing and the quality and the shimmer it gives is really perfect for your project. You can create cards, you can use for your chipboards, you can use with mixed media, you can use with stencils. So these foils are really good. If you want to buy any of these colors, you can check the description box for the links. And I hope this video was more informative on the techniques that you can use foils without laminator.